One second, let others also join. Especially Harshita and Likita, you have to be more, we can say, careful, and you have to give more time. Basically, time is required for in maths and science because practice is needed.
Sir, did you call my name? I just rejoined.
Anushka or Harshita, who is speaking?
Sir, did you call me? I rejoined again. I'm sorry.
No problem, no problem. We have to all have to rejoin only because see, we have the meeting. First meeting is for 40 minutes. Again, we rejoin because in the Zoom we have this limitation of 40 minutes for group meeting. That's why no problem. You have to join only 40 plus 20.
Yes, sir. No, you called my name, sir. So
I was calling means I was saying कि those who are new, this means Likita and also Harshita, and also recently who have joined. For those, there's a special attention they have to give, and from my side also, I will try to be more careful with all you. Because now see,
Okay, sir.
those who know the answers now they will give me answers every time. They will give me the answer, and but more important is this: all of the students should know what is going on. So this value we have completed this portion. Now let's see. One second. Let me write. Let me give some sample questions as a practice. Then we'll see. Then we'll see book questions. Suppose this is 60 degree and this value is 5 centimeter. So I want the side, remaining sides we can find. Sides AB equal to question mark, AC is equal to question mark, and BC is already given. So what will be the value of AB and AC? Apurva, Likita, everyone will try. I know Bhavya and Navneet can solve, Anushka also, but
should we do that opposite by hypotenuse?
any method you can use, opposite by hypotenuse or adjacent by hypotenuse, whatever is feasible method for you. So
Sine 60.
see, we can sin 60 we can take. So this will be 90. 90, this will be small h we can write with pencil for just for our understanding. This will be hypotenuse. So this will be theta is attached to theta is attached to this side. To this side will be base, and opposite to this theta will be perpendicular, or we can say opposite side. So sin 60 if we take, sin 60 is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite will be 5 and hypotenuse will be AC, right? P by H also we can write P by H or opposite by hypotenuse. So sin 60 we know.
So can you go back again? So one for me.
Okay, see, because now this is 90 degree, because in trigonometric ratios now, trigonometric values, always triangle will be 90 degree given. So 90 degree is there, so this opposite of 90 will be hypotenuse. Opposite side, opposite angle of 90 will always be hypotenuse. So two sides will be remaining, AB and BC. So we have to carefully observe angle theta or 60 degree, whatever given. So theta is attached to these two sides, AB and AC. So AC we know this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse we know. So this will be, we can say, base, because two options we had, AB and AC. So AC hypotenuse. So remaining side, whatever this theta or 60 degree attached side will be base. Base for this, base, or we can say adjacent side. So sin 60 will be opposite, that is BC, by hypotenuse, that is AC. And sin 60 we know the value of sin 60, right? Most of you have shared me correct answer only. So sin 60 we know root 3 by 2. So we can apply here. So root 3 by 2 will be equal to 5 by AC. So we can do cross multiplication. Root 3 AC is 10. So AC will be 10 by root 3. Suppose this is centimeter. So this will also be centimeter. Not an issue. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
That's all.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Because say cos also we can take, because, but cos is difficult to take because base and hypotenuse both we don't know, and cos 60 will be adjacent. Adjacent means base AB by hypotenuse AC. So both sides we don't know. Better to take sine. Or tan also we can take. If you take tan 60, tan is P by B, means opposite by adjacent. So this will be BC, BC opposite by adjacent will be AB. Tan 60 is root 3. So BC is base, so this is 5, and AB we get root 3. AB basically will get 5 by root 3. 5 by root 3 as the value. And we can see now we can rationalize here. 5 by root 3 is the value, right? So 5 by root 3 is that we can rationalize. Rationalizing means we will not keep root value in denominator side. So this will be 5 root 3 by 3 centimeter. 5 root 3 by 3 centimeter. 5 root 3 by 3 centimeter, because we will not keep root part in denominator side. So we can rationalize. Suppose here it is 5 by root 2, and say suppose for some other case 5 by root 2. So always we rationalize. This will be 5 root 2 by 2. Right. Some understanding you got.
Sir, why did we get by 3? Like, we get
We
5.
can right 5 by root 3 we are getting. We can leave this also as answer. 99.99% case you will get marks.
Then why did we multiply it by root 3 by
because
root 3?
because in denominator side
To
we
make
have
it
this notation
the denominator.
to get this the denominator as a normal value, like 5 we had now, means we can eliminate root.
Is it fine if we don't do root 3 by root 3?
Right, because root 3 by root 3 is basically they will cancel, and this is basically 1 only. That's why we will multiply, because to remove this root sign, so root 3 into root 3 will be 3 to remove this root portion.
Is it fine if we don't do root 3 by root 3 and we stop it near 5 by root 3?
You can leave. If you want you can leave, but that is also simple process only, because multiplication will not be a difficult task. 5 root 3 by root 3 root 3, or we can keep as it is if you want. Fine, both are options with you. Suppose next question, let me write next question, because we have this complementary angle, some understanding you got. So suppose we have the values tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. So this will be how much? Tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. So hint is complementary.
So we don't have complementary angles.
Yes, sir, it's deleted.
Deleted.
Complementary angles are, we can say, related. A relative means cot 90 minus theta will be tan theta. Tan 90 minus theta will be cot theta. Means how we can write the values basically. So answer.
Sir, this is deleted, right?
Right. So we'll solve now. See, we have to add the values 48 and then we have 42. So we in the background we can add 42 and 48 will be 8 to 10 0 carry 1 4 1 8 9, right? Good thing. So for 10 48 we can write in terms of 42. How we can write? We can write as 10 90 minus 42. That is important thing. 10 48 we can write 90 minus 42, because 90 minus right Bhavya Navneet, right answer is right, whatever you got the values. So 48 we can write 90 minus 42. Let me solve in detail. So see, tan 48 will write tan 90 minus 42,
90 minus 42.
because 90 minus 42 will be 42, and we have the understanding tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Theta is 42 here. Theta is 42 here. So tan 90 minus theta will be cot theta. Cot theta
Cot 42.
Perfect. And this 23 also, 23 plus 6 by normal observation we can see. Some students tell me what is normal observation. Suppose you go by cycle, scooty, anything. So you know now when we have to apply the brake, when we take left turn, when we take right turn. So that all this comes from practice. So simply you understand, you simply solve the questions, you get the understanding. By simple observation, we can see 23 plus 67 is 90. So 23 plus 67 will be 90. So basically we have to convert 23 in terms of 67. So 10, 23 will write as 10 90 minus 20, not 20, 67, because 90 minus 67 will be 23. Now 90 minus theta, 10 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 67 value.
Cot 67.
Now these two values we will put in the given question, we can say 1 2 values. So 1042 we write as cot 48, cot 42 basically, into nothing is there, means obviously multiplication,
Cot
into
67.
right. So cot 67 multiply, this will be as it is, because you know tan and reciprocal of tan is cot, this will be 42 and this will be tan 67. Why will keep as it is? Because this cot 67 and tan 67 will cancel out, and tan 42 and cot 42 will also cancel out. This will be 1. Why this cancel out? Because we know tan theta is 1
Because
by cot
tan is
theta,
equal to 1 by cot
or
theta.
right, or we can write cot theta is 1 by tan theta. This is basic understanding here, right? So in school teacher they have told kya this geometric identities are coming or not, because last year I had one student, he told me that last year only this not trigonometric identities they have deleted in last year only, means identity sin square theta, three formulas are basically there, sin square theta plus cos theta 1.
So they're included.
Teacher told
1 plus
this will
tan
come,
square theta is equal to 6 square
no
theta.
problem, we can also solve, no not an issue, but he told because this portion is a bit tough, so they have excluded, but no issue, we can
Sir,
solve. Yes.
this is there in the question.
So I am asking you because what because as far my knowledge
Yes,
no,
sir, this is there.
school teacher will tell you is
It's
there, we can solve,
included.
no problem, because this is, we can say, difficult part of trigonometric ratios chapter, and some schools they say okay, not included, some say they are included, so we can better to solve, better not skip because questions can be asked. So these are basically trigonometric identities formula we can see here, and we can prove also, not an issue. See, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. First formula. And one by one we'll see. This is first one. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Second one is 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta. Third one is very related to second one. See, 1, 1. 10, opposite of tan is cot. 10, then cot. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus cot square theta. Sec, cosec. Sec opposite, we can write here cosec. So sec square theta, cosec square theta. See, we'll see one by one. Suppose one we'll see. This is the one triangle. Always right angle triangle will be there. And this is suppose theta. A, B, C in this case. So we'll put the values here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. We'll see left hand side what value we are getting. So sin square theta. So sin square theta we can write as sin theta square. Sin square theta we can write as sin theta square. Cos square theta we can write cos theta square. What is value of sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. See, this is 90, always this will be
By
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
And see, theta is lying, or theta is connected to this side. So this will be base. Base means foundation. So theta is lying on this side. This will be base. And the opposite to this theta will be always perpendicular. Opposite to 90 will be always hypotenuse. So this value we can write. So sin theta is basically P by H, or opposite by hypotenuse. So BC by AC square plus cos theta will be adjacent, means AB by AC or base by hypotenuse square. So we can now put the values. So this will be BC square only by AC square plus AB square plus AC square. We can take AC square as LCM because both terms are same. So BC square plus AB square. So BC square plus AB square will be based on the Pythagoras theorem, right? Because BC square is perpendicular, AB square is base, so this will be equal to AC square, correct, by AC square. So this will cancel out, equal to 1. This is your proof, right hand side. Any doubt here? Because we can apply simple this the formula of this the values of trigonometric values of sin theta
So
and
we should just remember the formula or the process, like how we got
process
proof.
also is similar, because process is recommended to solve this no questions also, because we have, as I said earlier, this is basically most difficult or difficult portion, we can say, as compared to, see, everything is easy, but if you compare with other exercise, 3 exercises are there in this chapter. So first one is very easy, second one also easy, third one is ABC we can write. So third one is, as compared to first two, is, we can say, we can give more time, or all the question and all the examples we can solve at least 2 to 3 times to make it this now, we can say, sure for us, so we know this exercise. So we got the values, we can put the values and we get the value 1, fine. So this was first one, easy process. Second one is, formula is 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus 1 is constant, tan theta, how we can write? Tan theta will be this the opposite by adjacent, so opposite will be BC, and adjacent will be AB, or P by B square. So 1 plus, what will be the value? BC square by AB square. Here we can take the values of, here we can take the values of, we can take LCM basically. Right, right. We can take LCM here. So AB square will come out, come in the numerator side. AB square plus BC square. So AB square plus BC square, again by Pythagoras theorem we have AC square by AB square. So how we can write this as AC by AB? Got it? AC by AB whole square, because both terms are having square value. So AC by AB. What is AC by AB? AC by AB. What will be the value? See, AB by, right, AB by AC. If you write AB by AC, AB is base, AC is hypotenuse, B by H. So B by H is cos theta, or adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos theta. This is exactly opposite. AC by AB. AC by AB. This is exactly opposite. So this will be, we can say, or we can write 1 by cos theta, not an issue, because cos theta is AB by AC. Cos theta is B by H, or adjacent by hypotenuse square. 1 by cos theta is sec theta square, that is sec square theta. Sec theta square, that is sec square theta will be the value. Third proof, this is right hand side. Third proof was left hand side, as 1 plus tan is there, so tan will be related to cot tan, then cot square theta. So we can put the values 1 plus cot theta, we have to write here, cot theta we have to write. So you can see the this the triangle, cot theta will be opposite of tan, so P by B, then B by P means adjacent by opposite, perpendicular means opposite. So this will be AB by BC, correct? AB by BC. Now we can do squaring, 1 plus AB square by BC square. This will be BC square plus LCM we can take 1, BC square. Again by Pythagoras theorem we know BC square plus AB square is AC square. So AC square by BC square, AC by BC, AC by BC whole square, AC by BC whole square. So AC by BC, what is the value of AC by BC? AC, anyone? AC by BC, what will be the values? Okay, everyone is getting, because see, here sin theta we can write AC is hypotenuse, and BC is perpendicular as with respect to theta. So sin theta will be opposite, that is BC by hypotenuse AC. Opposite by hypotenuse, any P by H, or opposite by hypotenuse, anyone we can remember. So this opposite of this is BC by AC. So we can write as 1 by sin theta square. So this will be 1 by sin theta is cosec theta square. This is cosec square theta, that is equal to right hand side. I know you all have completed this earlier, but still we have to write. Every time we have to write and make sure this We know the formula, we remember the formula. In questions also, no, first we write the formula, then we can apply the values, we can use the values. So for this one question will almost 8 o'clock is here. So we'll see one question quickly based on this now trigonometry identity is one question, and then in next session we'll see more questions from the book. The question is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. We have to prove, PT means prove that, equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So remaining book questions we'll see in our next session. Today was basic understanding and revision of Introduction to Trigonometry chapter number 8. So this question we have to prove based on the identity, three formulas only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is cot square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, sorry, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. So these three formulas we have to remember, and whenever required we can use to solve the questions. Anyone got the answer? No problem, you can take time. Nikita, Anushka, please try. Apurva also. Everyone will try. We will take LCM. Hint is we will take LCM 1 minus cot theta and 1 minus tan theta, and slowly we will simplify the equation. Okay, Ujjwala, good.
We have to first convert it into tan is equal to cos theta by sin theta.
Sin by cos, no?
And then
See,
further sum.
right. Hint we can say
Everything we should convert into sine and cos and do.
that will be easier option, right? See, tan we can write because tan cot, no, this is thumb rule we can say. Every time tan cot sec cosec we can convert in sin and cos. That will be easier options. Sin theta by cos theta, correct? 1 minus cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, correct? 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Right, now we can simplify the values. So this sine we can take LCM, so this will be sin theta by cos theta, and here this will be sin theta, so sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta, and here we can take again LCM cos theta, then we have cos theta minus sin theta. Now we can this now sine will go up, opposite means sine will go up and this will multiply with this one, so this will be sine square theta, and here will be cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. Carefully we have to write and solve, plus cos theta will be multiplied with cos theta, this will be cos square theta, and sin theta will be multiplied with cos theta minus sin theta. Very important. So sin is sin theta into sin theta, because this will be multiplied sin square theta and cos square theta. Cos theta will go down, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, and sin theta will go down here also, sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Now we can take LCM. Before taking LCM, this is sin theta minus cos theta. Here we have cos theta minus sin theta. So here from this term we will take minus common. So this will be minus, and here minus, here plus. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta will be taken out, and remaining values we can write sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square, because if you take minus no, so this will be plus minus minus, minus will come in middle, cos square theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. Here we can take again LCM, sin theta into cos theta. Again we'll take LCM here, sin theta into cos theta. So this is cross multiplication will be there, sin square theta minus cos square theta, sin square theta, sin cube actually, sin square theta already there, sin square theta into sin theta, sin cube theta, cos square theta into cos theta, cos cube theta. A cube minus B cube formula now we get. So what is A cube minus B cube? A minus B, then A square plus AB plus B square. This way to remember. And A cube plus B cube is A plus B and A square minus AB plus B square. This is the formula. A cube minus B cube is A minus B, in bracket A square plus AB plus B square, A cube plus B cube, A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square. So we can use this formula to simplify the values, sin theta minus cos theta, and here A cube minus B cube. So A sin theta minus cos theta, A minus B, A square plus AB means sin theta into cos theta, and then plus cos square theta plus B square divided by sin theta into cos theta. This term will cancel out, and we have now we'll use the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1 plus sin theta into cos
1.
theta, right, sin theta into cos theta. So we can divide, so we can write as 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta, correct. So we got the values, 1 by sin theta will be cosec theta, and 1 we can write 2 times, 1 by sin theta and 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is sec theta, and this will cut 1. So this is basically right hand side what we had to prove. Question lengthy, topic is a bit difficult, that's why you have to practice more. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta is plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So thumb rule is always convert tan, cot, whatever values are there other than sin cos, we can convert back them in sin and cos. So tan is sin by cos by, we can say this now 1 minus cot will be cos by sin. Here cot is cos by sin, 1 minus sin by cos. Then we can simplify the equation. We can take LCM, sin will be multiplied, sin square theta, cos will come down, cos, then in bracket sin theta minus cos theta here, plus cos theta will be multiplied cos square theta by sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Here we have sin theta minus cos theta, so we can take minus out from this term, so minus will be out, so minus will go in middle, and this will be sin theta minus cos theta, so we can take common. So this will be sin square theta by cos theta, this is important step, and cos square theta by sin theta. So now we can take LCM sin theta and cos theta, so this will be cross multiplication, sin square theta into sin theta, sin cube theta, cos theta, cos square theta, cos cube theta, and 1 by sin theta minus cos theta will be common out. So A cube minus B cube we have written, A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square, and A cube plus B cube, A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square. Same formula we have applied here. A cube minus B cube, A minus B, right? A square plus AB plus B square, and denominator side we have sin theta cos theta as it is. So this will be cancelled out, and sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, we know the value based on the identity formula, 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So we can separately we can write 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta by sin. This will cancel out, will be give 1, we'll get 1 value, and 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta we can write cosec theta, 1 by sin theta, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta, right. Other question we'll see from this book in our next session, which will be on Thursday. Fine. Any doubt, any question? Third exercise is important.
No, sir.
Right. So try to see as a homework now. Let me, because I actually homework is not actually required only. You should be sincere enough to solve daily one chapter. So from my side, suppose you want to solve the chapter, so tomorrow we don't have class. So tomorrow you can try to solve this now, introduction to trigonometry chapter number 8. All exercise question and all examples. So that in this now session we have this now, and doubt question you can ask in this session. So before that we can solve.
Yes, sir.
Question and first example solved, then exercise question of chapter number 8. Fine. We'll see to in our next session. Now you all can log out.
Thank you, sir.
Likita, are you there in the session? You can stay back. Others can log out from the session.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Likita, what was the problem last time? Can you please tell me? Ujjwala, Vijay, you all can also log out. Or this now. Exit the meeting. Okay, let me remove. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So, what problem you faced last time, Likita? Means problem is
In a sense, sir.
especially in maths.
Yes, sir. Maths, I just have an idea about all the chapters, but if it comes to solving, I cannot solve it.
See. So, main
It
thing
is
is
like I'm not perfect with my NCERT
only one book we have to solve. Only we have to solve
in
NCERT only.
any of the chapters.
NCERT we have to solve. So, first one is understand the concept part. Concept means what is going on. So basically, we in brush in quickly. I for other chapters also I will brush up this basic concept. Today we had this concept of introduction to trigonometry. Second one is okay, first you have to solve examples of NCERT, not exercise question. First examples, normal examples we can go through. Normal you can directly see also what is the solution. Then book close and try to solve by your own. First examples, and third comes the exercise question. Exercise questions also of the topics which are coming. Suppose in surface area volume, we don't have first term of cone. So we don't have to do first term of cone. Every chapter, some or other portion is deleted. So we have to solve only those topics. We have to study those topics only in all the subjects, math, science, social, English, maths, every subject. On those topics which are coming. Because of COVID, they have reduced the portion. 30% they have reduced. So basically 70% only we have to study. Whatever topics which are coming. So concept first understand slowly, then examples and exercise questions. See, so chapter 8 we have completed. So chapter 8 we can go through. Once again you can this now what we can say in books we can open and try to understand the examples directly. You can go to examples because we have understood the concept. First examples you can solve concept because concept is over. Now you can go to examples and then after examples exercise question. At least you can try to solve exercise 1 and exercise 2 because exercise 1 and 2 are easier. Third exercise also you can try to solve and doubt questions
Sir?
we'll discuss. Yes.
Sir, every day, like when you don't have a class, can you spare half an hour? Like,
Actually, I don't have any problem, but I will see. I will let you know because once I have the time. Because now I have next
sir,
session.
anytime, sir, in the afternoon.
I will let you know because if possible, I will try my best. It's from my side also.
Yes, sir.
Second thing,
Please, sir.
no problem. Second thing, okay, easier topics now you can attempt because basically easier topics you can complete first. Like easier topics are chapter 8, introduction to geometry. Then chapter 9 is very easy. Then circle chapter is there easy, very easy. Then we can say probability we have already completed. So I hope you got the understanding.
Sir, I am not. I'm like the chapters that I'm not at all getting is pair of linear equations, triangles.
But triangles we have not started. Triangles we'll do in next week. Triangles we'll do in next week, and pair of linear equation also will do in next week. Means after triangle. So those topics. See, first important point is those topics which I have taken like probability, then coordinate geometry (CG), then right now we are doing introduction to geometry. For those topics, if you are getting what we are doing, you are able to solve the questions, simple question, then examples and such. That is basically we can say good situation or right track you are going on. Then triangle we'll see next week, and after that linear equation. So when we'll do the triangle, we will get the understanding. Then linear equation also, and other chapters also slowly. So by the end of April, now all the chapters will do revision. All the chapters means remaining chapters will also will complete, and slowly we'll get the confidence as we complete the chapters. And from your end, whatever the easiest chapter, suppose circle or this probability we have completed. Then we have quadratic equation, easy chapter, polynomials. Those chapters you can by your side also you can complete, and doubt
Sir,
questions.
quadratic equations, I'm not getting it after from the formula of b plus root 4, that one.
No problem. So doubt.
Like I'm unable to use.
So that see that specific doubts now you can this now we can discuss. Suppose in next session you join 5-10 minutes before. So those doubt question only you can ask me personally. Means quadratic question. Suppose we have this quadratic formula minus b plus 1 root b square minus 4ac by 2a. That formula how we apply we'll see. One topic is over. In polynomial, suppose you have doubt. Chapter by chapter you have to focus. Chapter by chapter in math science, especially one chapter if you take polynomials, so that chapter if you see in polynomials also not division is not there. Last exercise division is not there. So before that easy portion degree and this now uh, roots zeros value we have to find. So that thing you can say okay, you are getting or not. So chapter by chapter you can focus, right? Not in
Sir,
that.
then in polynomials, the last exercise is not there.
Right. So I've shared in our group. No, you can go through one second. I will share personally with you also. Chapter you can tick mark.
No, sir, the topics are fine, but I'm not understanding what are
Last
the exercises
exercise,
related to the topic.
last exercise only.
Last exercise of polynomials, right?
Right, right.
Yes, sir.
Division.
Okay, sir.
They have clearly mentioned division algorithm, algorithm something. So that is not there in the portion. Fine. No? So next session you can join 10 minutes before, and we'll see chapter by chapter. One chapter suppose if you take
Yes, sir.
quadratic question, so quadratic question will complete without questions of quadratic. Next day we will join 10 minutes before, so we can do polynomial. We can check or we can see doubt questions.
Sir, tomorrow is it possible for 15 minutes or half an hour?
I will just inform you because now uh, I will check my schedule and will update you. Definitely, I will try. Means if
Sir,
possible,
anytime, sir. In the morning also, it's fine.
I will let you. I will try from my side definitely. Because see, so trigonometry is one portion. Quadratic next time if we have extra session, then quadratic question will do definitely. Quadratic question you can try from your end. Doubt question will see. I will update you on WhatsApp. I will update you when we have this tomorrow session if we have. Fine for 15 minutes to half an hour. No problem. Chapter by chapter we have to
Yes, sir.
chapter by chapter you have to solve properly. Probability if I hope it will be cleared. Coordinate geometry is good. We have completed. Then right now we are doing introduction to geometry. So introduction to geometry we have to do nicely. Then next will be this now next application of geometry will come, height and distance, that will do. The next chapter will be next week, triangle and the linear equation. So chapter by chapter will get gain the confidence.
Yes, sir. Today I started coordinate geometry, so I'll finish that now, and tomorrow I'll do introduction to trigonometry.
Definitely.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will update. I will update shortly when we have this session tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon for 15 minutes to half an hour. Fine.
My second pre-board is from 1st April.
No problem. We have the time. 15, 14 to
Yes, sir.
so easy chapters we can complete and doubt questions we will discuss in the session. Fine.
Okay, sir. Done. Thank you, sir.
I will update you.